Good morning to all. VHDL program for 328 decoder using behavioral modeling. Okay, decoder converts binary information from encoded inputs to a maximum of 2 power n unique outputs. For example, if we have 3 input lines, we are getting 2 power 3 output lines. That is 8 output lines. Okay, if you have 2 input lines, we are getting 2 power 2 output lines, that is 4 output lines. If you have 1 input line, we are getting 2 power 1 output line, that is 2 output lines. In this program, we have 3 input lines, so we are getting 2 power 3 output lines, that is 8 output lines we are getting. Okay, this is the IC 74138 IC. In this, G1, G2A complement, G2B complement are the enable pins, that is control pins. Next, S0, S1, S2 are the input pins. Next, Y0 to Y7 are the output pins. Next, 8th pin ground and 16th pin VCC. Okay. Whenever G1 is equal to 1, G2A complement is equal to 0 and G2B complement is equal to 0, the IC is enabled. Remaining all conditions, the IC is disabled. Okay. Next, now you observe the truth table. Here G1 is equal to 1, G2A complement is equal to 0 and G2B complement is equal to 0. Okay. Next, selection lines 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0 means the decimal value of 0, 0, 0 means 0. So 0th line we are getting 0. Remaining all are the ones, because this 74138 IC is the active low IC. Okay, active low IC. So we are getting by not place we are getting 0. Remaining all are we are getting ones. Next, G1 is equal to 1, G2 is equal to 0, G2B is equal to 0. Next, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 we are getting 0, 0, 1 means 1. The decimal value is 1. So 1th place we are getting 0. Remaining all are 1s. Okay. Next, G1, G2A, G2B are the same. Next, S1 here. Next, S2 is equal to 0, S1 is equal to 1, S2 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 means value is 2. Okay, by 2 place we are getting 0. Next, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 means 3. Okay, 3rd place we are getting 0. Next, 1, 0, 0 means 4th place we are getting 0. Next, 0, 1, 1 means the decimal value of 0, 1, 1 is 5. So we are getting 5th place 0. Okay, by 5 place we are getting 0. Remaining all are 1s. Next, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 means 6. 6th place we are getting 0. Okay, next 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1 means 7. Okay, 7th place we are getting 0. Remaining all are 1s. Okay, if we have G1 is equal to 1, G2A complement is equal to 0, G2B complement is 0, then only the IC will enable. Remaining all conditions, remaining all possibles, the output is all are ones. We are getting all output lines are we are getting ones. Okay, that is disabled state. This is the brief information about the VHDL program for 328 decoder. Okay, now we go for the VHDL code. Click on ISA design 14.5. Tip of the day. Okay, find new project. I'm writing project name is decoder 328. Okay, I'm writing project name is 328. Next, here I am not connecting any hardware kit, so I'm putting none specified. Okay, I'm selecting none specified. Next, synthesis tool XST VHDL comma Verilog. Next, simulator I'm selecting iSIM VHDL comma Verilog. Okay, Next, preferred language. I'm writing this program into VHDL. So preferred language is VHDL. Next, finish. Okay. Right click on our program, new source, VHDL module, decoder. I'm writing source name is a decoder. These are the user defined names. We can write any names. VHDL module. Next, inputs G1, next G2A, next G2B. Okay, selection lines S. That is inputs 2 down to 0. Next, output Y. So I am changing input into the output. Next, 7 down to 0. Next, finish. The program is generated. Okay, now we have to write the code. After begin, you have to write the process statement, because this is the behavior model. Behavior model, we should write process statement. Process statement containing sensitivity list. Okay, whatever logic we are writing here, that inputs we should write here. That's G1, G2A, and G2B. These are the variables we are using here. Next, begin. Okay, now I am writing the code. If G1 is equal to G1 and G2A not G2A and not G2B. Is equal to 1. Then here G1 is equal to 1, not G2A means 0, not G2B means 0. Okay, G1 is equal to 1, G2A is equal to 0, G2B is equal to 0. Then next condition, if inputs, we have to use the assignment operator 0 0 0. If all are the zeros, okay, input 0 0 0, then output is, that is Y is all are ones except the 0th place. Okay, so okay, all are 0 0 0 means the decimal value of 0 0 means 0. So 0th place we are writing 0. Remaining all are ones. Okay. Next, else if s is equal to 0 0 1 0 0 1, then y is equal to all are ones except 1th place. Okay, except first position all are ones. Okay. 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 0 0 1 I am writing. Next 0 1 0. 0 1 0. Okay. 0 1 0 means 2 and second. So we have to put second place 0. Okay, next 0 1 means 0 1 1. 0 1 1 means next third place we are getting 0. Okay, it's 1 0 0, 1 0 0. Fourth place we are getting 0. Next 1 0 1 means fifth place we are getting 0. Next 1 1 0 0. Sixth place we are getting 0. Next triple 1. Okay, triple 1. This seventh place we are getting 0. Okay, remaining all us we have to change once. Okay, next else condition y is equal to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, other than this combination we are getting output is 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 8 times 1 will come. Next and if next if g1 is equal to 0, g2 is equal to g1 is equal to 1, g2 is equal to 0, g2b is equal to 0. Other than this condition you should get disable state, that is all our ones we have to come. So we have to write else y is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 ones they are getting. Okay, this is the logic of VHDL coding and process. We should end the process here. Next we have to end the architecture. Architecture already generated. This is the VHDL code for 3 to 8 decoder. Okay, next 6 syntax. I forgot to write the end if here. I am starting 2 ifs, so we have to end with the 2 end ifs. Okay, next RTL schematic. Okay, create schematic. This is the view RTL schematic. This is the RTL schematic of 3 to 8 decoder. Next, technological schematic. Click on technological schematic, add create schematic. Click on this one. We are getting technological schematic. Here we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 LUTs. Next I am going to the simulation part. Okay, select the simulation, select the program, click on here, click on behavioral check syntax and click on simulate behavior model. G2 is equal to 0, next G2b is equal to 0. First I am giving 0 0 0. Okay, next 0 0 1. Next first constant 0 1 0 0 1 0. Next 0 0 1. 0 1 0, that next 0 1 1, next 1 0 0, next 1 0 1, next 1 1 0, next 1 1 1. Okay, 0 0 0, 0 0 0 means the decimal value of 0 0 0 means 0. So 0th position we are getting 0. Here first position we are getting 0. Here second position we are getting 0. Here third position we are getting 0. Here fourth position we are getting 0. Here fifth position we are getting 0. Here 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. I forgot. I'm writing 1 0 1. 1 0 0. Here fourth position we are getting 0. Here fifth position we are getting 0. Okay. Here sixth position we are getting 0. Here seventh position we are getting 0. Okay. Corresponding binary value we are getting 0. Okay. Now I am changing G1 into the 0. I am changing G1 into 0. We are getting disabled state, that is all at once. This is the output of 3 to 8 decoder. Okay. Thank you.